You also said you're a traditional doctor.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm a traditional doctor. Don't say which Nancy.
What do you do?
Literally,
What do you do? What kind of tradition?
I want you to call it I do a lot of work, my lord. I treat sick people.
Using what?
How about this? I use traditional medicine.
Nzija omuntu asobola okujja nga ayagala okufumbibwa oba ayagala kuwasa.
One can come when he wants to marry, want to be married.
Omuntu ayinza okuba nga alina omusango gw'azizza nga ayagala kukusiba.
One can come when he has committed their offense and he wants to tie it. Ekyanja olina kyewakola omusango guno oguli mu kooti mu mwaka gwa 2015.
Owekitiibwa nina kyemmanyiiko.
My lord, I know something.
Okay, that's enough. And come back.
Yajja bateeseko enkofiira nagamba abikule yajjako enkofiira ye nalina makinga wala ataki.
The second one, I was able, because I had a bald head, he came putting on a cape and I told him to remove it so I could see the bald head.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media. Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.